Welcome. Today, let's explore the latest way to react to a message from a group on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. With the new update, expressing yourself in group chats has never been easier or more interactive. Let's walk through the steps together so you can start reacting to messages in just a few clicks. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click on the messages icon. This will take you directly to your inbox, where all your conversations are stored. Next, find the group chat you want to check. Click on it to open the conversation. Now, scroll through the messages until you find the one you want to react to. Here's where the new update shines. Simply, hover your mouse over the message. As you do, a set of reaction emojis will appear right below the message. But there's more. Next to these emojis, you'll see 3 dots. This is your gateway to even more reaction options. Click on the 3 dots, and a menu will pop up with additional emojis and reactions to choose from. Take a moment to browse through the options and pick the one that best matches how you feel. Once you've made your choice, just click on the reaction. Instantly, your selected emoji will appear below the message, letting everyone in the group see your response. It's a quick and fun way to engage with your friends or colleagues without typing out a full reply. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can now react to group messages on X from your PC, making your conversations more lively and expressive than ever before. Try it out the next time you're chatting in a group and see how much more engaging your interactions can be. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reacting.